Hello all, we received this question from one of our subscriber. So suppose if you get this question in your interview process where it states that A beats B by 20 meter and B beats C by 20 meter. Distance between A and C is asked. Now I'm definitely sure that 90% of us will go for the answer will go for the option which says 40 meter between A and C. But if you take this 40 meter, that's a wrong option actually. First I will try to show you this visually and then I will try to solve this analytically, that is by using formulas as well. So let us consider that this is a start and here we consider the end of a race. All the three start from the same position, so A, B and C. Now all of them has constant velocity. This has to be assumed because this is not given that the speed is changing. So A suppose moves to a next position here, here. What is the distance between these two? And the distance between A and B. So the distance between A and B, let us mark it as x1 and this let it be x2. Now you should imagine that if A is beating B, then speed of A should be greater than speed of B. And if B is beating C, then speed of B should be greater than speed of C. Now A is moving at much higher speed than C. A is therefore the distance between A and B, this distance between A and B will increase comparatively faster than x2. I will again reinstate this, that since A is moving at higher speed, therefore the distance will increase obviously as same. The distance between B and C will increase, but since A speed is greater than C, therefore the distance x1 will comparatively move faster than distance x2. Now let us take another position when A has reached this position, B approximately say it here, and let this be C. So again this is our x2 and this is x1. By this time you should have come to know that always the distance between A and B, x1 will be greater than x2. So distance between A and B will be greater than the distance between B and C, x1 greater than x2. Now let us imagine when A finishes the race. So A is at this position and B is 20 meter behind. So this distance they have told that it is 20 meter, and at that position let us say that C has reached here. Now from this we have already concluded that the x1 is greater than x2. x1 is greater than x2, therefore 20 is greater than x2. That means simply x2 is less than 20. But how much less? So at this point I have concluded that since this is 20, this cannot be 20, this is for sure less than 20, therefore the option stating 40 meter is wrong. Now how to solve this? So let us imagine the speed. So speed of A upon speed of B. The ratio will be given by, let us say that the race is of 100 meter. So by the time A completes entire 100 meter, B would have completed only 80 meters since it is 20 meter behind. Therefore the speed ratio will be 100 by 80. Similarly, now when B will reach at the end position, C will be 20 meters behind, because it's given that B beats C by 20 meter. So therefore SB upon SC, again it will be 100 by 80. Now use both these equations. So therefore the speed of A upon speed of C, that is, just multiply both this ratio, speed of A into speed of B is equal to, sorry, into speed of B upon speed of C. This is cancelled, so this is SA by SC, that's why we multiplied it. What is the value of SA by SB? 100 by 80 into 100 by 80. So the final value which we have received is 100 by 64. So by the time A reached 100, by the time A reached 100 meter, B has crossed only 64 meter. By the time A has reached 100 meter, B would have gone only till 64 meter. So therefore the distance between A and B is 36 centimeter. So sorry, 36 meter. So I hope you are clear with this question. Thank you.